All right, so we just want to show you how we pull honey and how we get the bees out of the honey supers. So what we have here is, go for it.
We have Honeybee Gone. It's just a spray. It's an essential oil that the bees don't like. It smells kind of like almonds and cherries mixed. We have a fume board. This one's been bought, but you can make these, I think. All this is just felt and some type of reflective there to kind of get the heat drawn in. But you just spray it down real good. And whatever super you're getting ready to take, just put it on top of here. You can see the bees now. Let it set for just a few minutes. If we had a few more, we'd just do 3 or 4 at a time. And you just let it sit there and it'll drive the bees down. We've got queen excluders in here, so it'll be there'll be several that won't be able to get through. So when we get done with that, whatever bees are left,
right behind you,
just a bee blower. Now you can get smaller ones. I mean, Ryobi and Makita and Craftsman, they all have small little blowers that you can put a battery on. And I suggest if anybody does do it this way, get something that's battery operated, not something you got to plug in and drag all over the place. So, but that's it. Whenever we get done driving the bees down, whatever bees are left are going to get blown out. There shouldn't be too many. That's it.
and that does not hurt the bees. So that's how we get ours ready to to extract or pull the supers off of. It just helps with that. There's many ways you can do it. We just find for us that's the best way to do it. Maybe we can show you some other tools that they use to do this same thing with, but it's just for you beginners out there that are getting ready to start pulling honey.